All right, today we're unboxing the CRD2 portable refrigerator. This thing's really neat. It's got two compartments. It could be a fridge, freezer, fridge. You get the point. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly open this up. We'll do a more in-depth video on this. But kind of show you how it's wrapped up. Oh, it's actually... Okay, cool. And then we'll put it, I'll put it back here. And we're gonna take a closer look at it. So first, right off the bat, these handles are very stable. They're fully metal. You can see they go down. Probably shouldn't do that. You have a handle here for carrying, because it's got wheels. Okay. We have a opener here for bottles. You have your battery down here. Okay. We have, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, DC. Okay, there's got to be a plug. So I'm assuming the plugs are, oh wow, look at that. Plugs are inside. So yeah, so two compartments. We cut this open. You can see there is a drain plug down here. So I guess if you had ice or if you had something in there you wanted to clean it, you don't want to flip this thing over because it is a refrigerator. Let's see what's in here. So in here we have the battery manual, because you can't get this with a battery and without. You have your user manual, and we have our charger. So you could charge this with a normal plug, like plug it into a wall outlet. This guy right here. Or you could plug it into your car, which is really nice. Okay. Let's take a couple of looks. There's also these tie downs here if you need to tie it down. This is on the side. Okay, that's how you can get power into it right there. And I'm just realizing that now. Let's see if we can get this battery out. Oh, there's the battery. Okay, it has a sticker on it. Okay, it's in sleep mode, so we need to activate it. So I'm just gonna put this away and play with this a little bit later. Clips in. That clips there. Yeah, there you go. This is where all your like condensers and everything are. This is like the guts of it. These all come out for cleaning. And like I said, this could be a freezer, or you can, it can be both. Looks like it has an LED light on it. Didn't notice that until just now. We have recommended temperatures for food. Yeah, really nice. Looks like you have like spots, maybe put drinks on the top. And your control panel's here. I'm not sure. It's probably not on. I need to probably charge it first. I think that is it. Your big handle. Maybe I'll put it on the ground. It's definitely weighted. Got more weight. Ooh, got more weight on this side because that's where the refrigerator stuff is. But yeah, let's. I want to pull this out further. Okay, there you go. So that's pretty comfortable for pulling. So yeah. So that's your portable refrigerator. We're out.